Hi guys, continue walking and look and see, explore, still exploring here guys. Yeah, yes, you can see the sea is low tide now guys. Here nadaanan namin to, may nagbabike na hindi man lang magpipip, muntik na kaming nasagasahan. Ganyan guys, ganyan. Ganda sana. Ayan, bahay, ganyan. Yes, ang daming mga tanim dito, organic guys. Mailig sila, oh. Yung matanda doon, naglilinis sa mga tanim niya. Ay, may mga kamote. Ayan guys. May dragon fruit pa, oh. Dragon fruit guys, papaya. Oh, ang ganda, ang galing, oh. Papaya, dragon fruit. Oh, oh, dragon fruit guys, oh. Ayan, can sit down here. See? Yes. Itong makikita natin dito guys sa daanan namin. Continue exploring Tayo Village guys. Is still a lot of views na magaganda na makikita. Hintayin nyo lang at kami mananghalian. It's already 12 something guys. Okay, later again. See you. See you later. God bless.